This is my raised bed garden. Um, these are some scallions that I planted years ago, and when I want some scallions, I can still take one of these leaves, and they're a little bit tough, but you know, if you're cooking them up, they're fine. So as you can see, I'm letting this cilantro go to seed, and it's also really beneficial for the bees. They love it. But as you can see, I sort of mix things up. It's like I've got kind of a food forest, I guess you'd call it. And so we've got some squash in here, and this is a tomato plant trying to struggle out from beneath all of the cilantro. Over here, this is really where I'm growing my tomatoes, is right here. Then down at the end, oh darn, I forget the name of these, but just some flowers, and you really can't see it, but on the other side is some jasmine. And then down here we have, well, I like to mix it up with some flowers, so I've got some petunias in here, but these are my pepper plants. And this one down here on the end is this is a pumpkin.